Children, in this session we are going to revise our chapter for PT-1 exam. This is our revision 2 video. Watch carefully. After that, I give a link for revision test 2. You should try to attend the test because that type of format, Google format, will be your PT-1 exam. So children, you should try to attend the test after watch the video. Now come to our revision. The first heading, true or false. Multiplication is a repeated subtraction. Is it correct, children? Yes. This is false because multiplication is a repeated addition. So this statement is false, children. The second question, the reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 divided by 3. Is correct because reciprocal means we have to change numerator into denominator and denominator into the numerator. So this statement is true. So this statement is true, children. Proper fraction is equal to numerator greater than the denominator. Is this correct? No, this statement is false because in the proper fraction, the numerator is less than the denominator. So this statement is false. The fourth one, 86 multiplied by 1, we get 68 given. Is this correct? Any number multiplied by 1, we get the same number, but here I have written wrongly. So this is not true. False. Then fifth one, 324 is multiplied by 5. We get the answer 1620. So the given problem is multiplication. So we should multiple, then we check our answer. There is a 3-digit number, so I write the place value 1s, 10s, 100. Then I place the number 324 is multiplied by 5. So 4 5s are 20. I cut the 0 and write under the 1's place. Then carry the remaining 2 into the 10's place. Then I multiply 2 by 5. So 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So I cut this 2 and write under the 10's place. Carry the remaining 1 into the 100th place. Next, I multiply the 5 by 3. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1, 16. So, our answer 1620. See here, children, I given the answer 1620 here also. So, this statement is true. So, our answer is true, children. The fourth one is false. Then the next question, 144 divided by 12 is our sixth question. So this is a division. So this is a dividend. I put inside and divisor outside. I first take the 100th place. That is 1. I compare to the divisor. So divisor is greater than the dividend 1. So I take the next digit 4 also. Now I get 14. So now I check how many times 12 in 14. How many times 12 in 14? 1 12 is 12. Then 2 12s are 24. So I reduce here 24, but we have 14 here. I reduce one time, and now I check one time alone. How much? 12. So 12. 1 12 is 12. Sorry children, here 12. So 1 12 is 12. Now I subtract 12 from 14. So 4 minus 2, 2. Then 1 minus 1, 0. So we get the remaining 2. Next I bring down the next digit 4. So what we get? 24. Now we check how many times 12 in 24. 2 12s are 24. So I write 2 in the quotient. 2 12s are 24. So 4 minus 4, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. So our remaining is 0. The quotient is 12. So where is 12 children? The 12 is in C option. So this is our answer. So children, I highlight the 12. Next question. Change into mixed fraction. 28 divided by 5. So we need to divide. I write the dividend inside and divisor outside. 28 is the dividend and 5 is the divisor children. First you have to check for the tens place we have 2. The dividend is less than the divisor. So we want to divide. So I take the second digit also. Now we get 28. Now you have to check how many times 5 in 28. So children, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30. But we have 28 alone. So I reduce one time and go through 5 5s are 25. So how many times children? 5 times. So I write 5 in the quotient. 5 5s are 25. Then 8 minus 5, I get 3. Then 2 minus 2, what comes children? Very good, 0. So our quotient is 5 and remainder is 3 children. This is very important, listen carefully. The formula for the mixed fraction is equal to the quotient multiplied by a remainder. This is the divided by the denominator. So what is our quotient children? The quotient is 5. So I write 5. Then remainder is 3. Our remainder is 3. So I write 3 and our denominator is 5. See children, this is our quotient and this is our denominator. So denominator is 5. Suppose this is a very complicated, means you take and write children. This like you take and write the quotient equal to 5, remainder is equal to 3 and denominator is equal to 5. Then you can apply in the formula the quotient multiple remainder divided by the denominator. Now we get the mixed fraction. This is our answer. So where is 5 3 by 5? Children, the option is in A. So children, I highlight the option A. This is our answer. Next problem. Subtract 6 divided by 15 from 12 divided by 15. So next problem is subtraction. So children, in subtraction, the greater number comes first from 12 divided by 15. So I take for the 12 divided by 15, then subtraction 6 divided by 15. So in the fraction form, first we have to check addition and subtraction. We have the same denominator or not. You see children, here we have the same denominator 15 in both. So I get the same denominator 15. Then you have to subtract children. Which one we need to subtract? So I highlight the answer children. 6 divided by 15 is our answer. Next problem. 8 divided by 12 multiplied by 2 divided by 5. In fraction, addition and subtraction only we have to check the denominator are the same or not. In multiplication and division, no need to check anything. You have to directly do. So 8 2s are 16. Then 12 5s are 60. So what's our answer? 16 divided by 60. What is the option children? 16 divided by 60 is in A option. So A is our answer. Then that last problem. 3 divided by 5 divided 2 divided by 7. So now which operation? Division. So I take the first fraction as it is 3 divided by 5. Then I change this division into multiplication. We should change division into multiplication. For this change, I find the reciprocal of the second fraction. What is our second fraction? 2 divided by 7. So 2 divided by 7, our reciprocal is 7 divided by 2. That means we change numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator. Then we get our reciprocal. Then as usual multiplication. Already we did in the 9th problem, likewise you have to multiple. 3 7s are 21 and 5 2s are 10. So what's our answer now? 21 divided by 10 is our answer. So where is the option? 21 divided by 10 children is in the B option. So I have to select that B option. So this is our answer children. I think you're all revise your chapter well today. 2 revision we have done. So children, you should watch all the videos and refer all the worksheets and go through the 2 revision as well as the revision test also children. That is very helpful for your PT-1 exam. So all the best. Thank you children.